box. No, we don't know which one. There's blue, there's green, there's whatever. Plushie.
I don't know.
There is a rainbow and pinky.
Yes. It's nice.
Yes, sir.
So wait, give me it. Give me it. Touch the video thingy.
You do this. Like,
I don't know how to touch it. Okay, so let me try to open it.
okay, we're gonna tell you when we're gonna open it.
Oh,
Okay.
I think I can do it now.
So now we're gonna open it. Just Zoe, come on. Zoe! Zoe! Okay, finally. Okay, that. Oh! Mystery Plushie! Okay, we got the book.
Yeah, and you see that. Now, it's so soft.
So either this will check. We'll go away. What do you think she get?
I got the yellow one.
She got which one?
I like this one.
Oh, she got this one, yellow unicorn cat.